Hello everybody, welcome to the Pound Trader. I'm making an analysis for the 28th of August 2025. So we're starting over on the weekly time frame today, and on the weekly time frame we can see here that we had an uptrend. This looks like a breakout, almost looks like a pullback. So for me, I am hoping that this pullback will now continue towards the sell side, because I am predicting that maybe price might come back to this level over here. Well, here and then maybe here and then maybe from here, I'm not sure. But either way, I'm still looking for short-term sells, so I can't really predict too far. Right now, I'm just looking for short-term sells back to these levels here or any of these levels here. Okay, so let's go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame. Oh, and sorry, just one thing to mention here. We can see on the weekly time frame that we had a lot of wicks, and this candle here that closed was last week, and I thought that maybe price would be making like a wick fill, but it looks like because of this rejection, maybe price might come to these levels over here. If it does end up breaking this trend line, I'm not really expecting it to move too far up, because yeah, these are the points that I'd like to watch out for sells. So hopefully after this week, if this weekly wick continues upwards, then I'll be looking for it to now form proper bearish candles. Okay, daily time frame we can see, so same thing with what's happening. We can see that we had a bounce off this level here. Now I'm not really sure if this is like a double bottom, but in case this is, because it looks like it, maybe price might come back to these levels here, because we also didn't have the best confirmation with this candle. So if price does end up breaking this and coming towards this resistance level here, I'm really hoping it doesn't go further than that, so I can watch out for sells. Yeah, okay. For our time frame, we can see here, this looks very weird. We had some news and now price looks like it's pushing up. It hasn't formed proper candles yet. Let me delete this alert. It hasn't formed proper candles yet, so I'm looking for rejections, because this trend line that we have over here, this would be nice confluence. If we get like a proper rejection candle here, that would be nice. But if price continues pushing up, then I will be on standby at this level here as well. Yeah, because also if you look back, last week's candle, as much as we have like a double top, it wasn't the best confirmation when it comes to the candles. Okay, now for a 1 hour time frame. So if you watched my last video, then I was waiting for rejection candles around this area here, and I was able to take a sell, not with these pin bars here, guys, but with this candle here, because this looks like a tweezer top, and usually with tweezer tops, this is like a sign of reversal. So when I saw more of these wicks forming, I think that was more confluence. I did end up taking this short, but guys, I forgot to move my stop loss to break even, and as you can see, price came and it was almost like 2-3 pips for it to hit TP, because I usually target 60 pips, but as you can see, price reversed, and because I had not moved my stop loss to break even, I had a busy day this day, price came and it took me out. So that was a bit unfortunate, because even if I did like a 1.5, that would be nice, but anyway, no regrets. That's trading. I will be now on standby here, or if price continues pushing up, then here, but still I'm just looking for those sells. You let me know what your bias is, because I'm not too sure. I'll be interested to hear what you think. Just looking at the dollar index quickly, I think this dollar index is what has been confusing me, because guys, this is a daily time frame, and we can see here that this resistance support level has been holding. So it looks like price is moving back down, and I don't know if it will reject here again, because if it does, then it will also confirm the rejection that I'm hoping for on the pound. So stand by, because now trading in between these levels here, I've been scared. Now I'm scared, guys. Now let me just wait for these stronger key levels, reactions from these stronger key levels, and then we'll see how it goes. So for our time frame, we can see it almost looks like a range, but it's also not like a range. And we have like a double top here, double bottom pushed up. So I was on standby on this level here to see if maybe some bullish candles will form for me to take the buys, but they haven't. And it looks like price might come to down here. So I think, long story short, I'm just going to be on standby. I don't think I'll be having any trade today. Yeah, just on standby, guys. Hoping for the best. Let me know what you think, and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.